Welcome to Vancic Maths. Today we look at linear algebra, whereby we want to see how we can multiply matrices. So the only way you can multiply matrices, we have this condition: if and only if the number of columns in a pre-multiply matrix should be equal to the number of rows in post multiply matrix. So you have to investigate first, like this one, matrix A, which is 2 3 4. You have one row and 3 columns, so the columns are 3. You have the rows and the columns. It is order 1 times 3. Then this one is 3 times 2. So you have the rows as being 3. So you are saying the number of columns in the pre-multiply matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the post-multiply matrix, so that we can now do multiplication of those two matrices. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have row multiplied by the column. So you have 2 times 2. You have 2 times 2, then plus you have 2 times 1. We start with this column, so it will be 2 times 1. Then we have 3 times 3 plus 4 times 5. So that one will give you, this will be 2 plus 9, that is 11, plus 20, 31. And the second value shall have again 2 multiplied by 2. Then you add 3 multiplied by 4. Then you add 4 multiplied by 6. So this will give you 24 plus 12, 36, plus 4, 40. So we have our final as a 1 by 2 matrix. 1 by 2 matrix. So you can only multiply if and only if the column in the pre-multiply is equal to the rows in the post-multiply matrix.